coughed. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to a video. Today I'm making car sounds with toilet paper. My mom forced me to do this, so okay, so let's spin the imaginary wheel right here. Yeah. Okay, we don't need to, let's just spin that again because I was gonna be, okay, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but okay. Let's just make the sound. Okay, let me just fix my feet. Here we go. Make sure that's, there we go. Okay. Looks like it's like a weird sound. I know it's every single car in here. The imaginary wheel sounds like. Oh wait. Pass by. I feel like I'm copying a YouTuber. Like and subscribe.